Hey there, I'm Dr. Dave, the RV Dummy, camping with my RV here in Utah. But I wanted to take a break for a second because I've got a real important announcement about Bluetti, portable power station company. They've got a Prime Day sale coming up July 11th and 12th, where they're going to be cutting their prices on their portable power stations. I've got the AC 200P right here powering my entire RV because we're in an area right now that has no hookups whatsoever, and I absolutely love this one. The AC 200P original pricing is $1,659. They're cutting the price to $1,119. That's a $540 saving off the original price. As I said, I'm a real believer in this AC 200P, but if you're just getting started and want something smaller, say for tailgating or just something around the house or car camping, they've got the EB3A portable power station. The original price was $299. Now it's on sale for only $199 during Prime Day. It's $100 savings. And it starts midnight July 11th and goes all the way till 11:59 p.m. on July 12th. There are a ton of portable power stations that are listed on sale for Prime Day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put all of them that I have in the description on this video, in the show notes, in the description. You'll be able to compare, take a look, find out which one's right for you. But again, whether you're camping in the backcountry, in an RV, tailgating, or you want something just to back up your power at home in case the electricity goes out, Bluetti has fantastic choices for you, whatever your needs are. Prime Day, July 11th through 12th, where you'll get incredible savings. And plus, I'm going to put all the links needed in the show description, and I will have an additional 3% off link for you right there. So please check it out. I'm Dr. Dave. I am the RV Dummy from Utah, coming at you with a really important announcement. Talk to you soon.